rooster. Well, you know I got a little red rooster. He's related to crow one day. I got a little red rooster. He's so late to crow one day. Keeps everything upset. In a barnyard and everywhere. You know the dogs, they began to bark. You know the hound, they began to howl. The dogs, they began to bark. You know the hounds, they began to howl. If you see my little red rooster, now won't somebody please drive him home? Yeah. See my little red rooster. I want somebody please drive him home. Now if you see my little red rooster, I want somebody please drive him home. Cause you know I haven't had no peace in the barnyard since that little red rooster's been gone.